So the last time I left you here, I asked you to see if you can figure this out. So if you went around and you did right and clicked on the number for right here, which is 90, and you did down and you clicked on the number 180 down here, and then you did left and you clicked on negative 90 here, you can now see that if you click the related keys on your keyboard, your cat then reacts to the movements that you have programmed it to move. So yeah, so there it is. It's not moving its feet, so that's the next thing we need to do. So just to empathize with you, this is not that easy. I've been doing this for a while, and so around here is where I start getting a lot of confusion from people. So I may be rushing this for you, but you have the pause and play button that you can use, and you can also always just drop me a line, give me a comment on YouTube, on Scratch, on my blog site, so that way you don't feel completely lost. I've organized this way so that we can visually see them. This is up, this is right, this is down, and this is left. Let's make the cat move then. We're going to go now to the look section. You see it here? It's right under motions. And we're going to need the switch costume block, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. We're going to do this one, and let's put it here for right now. And you see how it says in here cat 1B? We just want to show you the costumes here. Cat 1A is this one, cat 1B is this one. So if we are able to put these blocks together in a way that they can move, then we are going to be able to manage. So we need something in between though. We need a weight in between. I'm going to just leave that one there 1 second, and I'm going to show you why that's not a good idea. But we're going to need another switch costume here. We're going to put A and B. Make sure that they're different. A is here and B is here. If you have picked a different sprite than I have, then just make sure that your movements relate to the blocks here. So yeah, so we're putting together a string of code here. And so we are asking the cat to, that when we click the up arrow on our keyboard, to go up and move up 10 steps. These are like pixels, I guess. And then switch from costume cat A to, and wait a second, and then switch to cat B. So let's see. You see it? Now that's a problem right there with 1 second of movement. It's too slow. So just change that to, you can change that to 0, I guess. That's like waiting for nothing, right? So, you know, it moves faster. Yeah. But, you know, realistically, we can put a number there like 0.1. That's a tenth of a second. That's as much, as fast as we can blink, as fast as we blink normally. Still too slow. Let's do hundredths of a second. Let's do 0.01. And that should be good. Or you can just leave it at 0. Now, again, you can just copy these down. You can just click copy. You don't have to redo them one by one. Click copy and click and copy. Oh, missed it. Click copy and paste. Now any way that I move, the cat's feet is moving. Look at that. Still moves a little bit funny, but I'm just gonna leave it that way. It means I need to add another costume here. The more costumes you add, the better it looks, the better its movement. So, you know, you can have its eyes closed, its mouth closed, its whiskers come down. I'm just going to use what is given to us here already. You feel free to personalize it, personalize your sprite or your character as you do. I'm just going to keep my Jixer. Yeah, so one last thing is to add sound to your movement. So this is the sounds. And in here, you can have fun. You can record your own sounds. You can just take a look at it. Let's say you want to add sounds to your movements. Okay, so let's say when the cat moves, you want to play meow sound, and this becomes really gridded, doesn't? See? Imagine if all the sounds play the cat sound. So just add something else. I don't know. You could do. You can change it in here, and you can record, or you can select a preset sound. So you can choose from the library, trying this out for right now. That sounds good. We're going to keep that. We're going to add that to our script now. It should show up here now. There it is. So every time we move up, it does that sound. So yeah, so I'm going to add these to the rest. I guess I can just copy and paste, or now it shows up here now. I hope that everything's working out for you. If not, just again give me a comment, ask questions, let me know what's going on. So far, this is what we have. We have a maze. We have a main character that now walks and moves up, down, left, and right, and makes a sound as it goes. Okay, so stick around. See you next time.